What is going on? Welcome to Gregos TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Obviously, I'm not in my studio. I am in Pittsburgh, which you can't tell because looks like I'm in pretty much any room at this point. And I'm doing a screen record because I didn't bring my computer, so you're going to see probably stuff like this for the next handful of days. But I did want to talk about the Huawei Mate XT again. Again, this device, because there's really not that much news, and another video came out showing it in hand of this guy. The 6.4 inch cover display, 7.9 inch folding display, and then it's 10.2 inches, I believe, when it's fully open. But it's really magnificent to not only see this thing from what we've seen it so far from these people, but now we've got another person showing it off. And every time I see this thing, I get more and more excited for the future of these devices, because there's just unlimited possibilities that you can do with these. And I love how smooth the things that are like that are like impressive about it. Obviously the displays, like how big they get, is really amazing. But then it's also how, like, you just watch the animations of this thing from it like just folding, and then how the phone and the screen goes along with it, like it animates to the way it's being unfolded. That's the magic of this. Like, they didn't stop just at engineering. They continued with it to the software side as well. And who's this guy that did it? Paul J has this just, again, crazy video. I wish they had these things in America. They were coming to America. Europe, they are supposed to come. I've spoken about that earlier. It should be China, Asian countries basically, and Europe that this device will be released. But then also, these will have competitors. Samsung will probably have one of these devices, most likely. OnePlus eventually. There's going to be companies that do release this phone. How long into the future remains to be seen, especially when we see one right here. I didn't think it would be... When I thought about these phones, tri-folding, I was like, it's not going to work. It's going to be stupid. But this is like beyond my expectations. And I think that's maybe the best way to describe the Huawei Mate XT, is that it's beyond expectations, not only with engineering, but also the software that it provides. For what we can see, it's just truly amazing. So let me know what you guys think. I know some of you are like, some of you are like, dude, that looks amazing. I want to import it, or I want to get it when it comes out to where I live. But I got to know your what do you, I guess a good question to you guys would be like, what don't you like about it? Like, what turns you off about it? Or if you do like it, what really gets you excited about it? So that would be the question. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.